In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and download your track from Audiomass. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get your audio into Audiomass and save it back to your computer with the settings you want. Audiomass is a free browser-based tool, which means there's nothing to install. All you need is a modern web browser and your audio file ready to go. Start by going to audiomass.co. Once the page loads, you'll bring your audio into the project. You have two easy options here. If your file is on your desktop or in a folder, click and drag it directly onto the Audiomass window, then release. If you prefer, you can use your system's file picker. Click to open your files and select the audio you want to use. Large files may take a moment to load, and you'll know it's ready when you see the waveform appear across the timeline. When your track is in, you're ready to save it back out. Go to the top menu and click File. In that menu, choose Export or Download, depending on which label you see. Both options are designed to let you save a copy of your project as an audio file on your computer. A new window will appear with export settings. First, pick your format. WAV is uncompressed and preserves maximum quality, which is great for archiving or further editing. MP3 is compressed, which makes the file smaller and easier to share or upload. Next, set your quality. Higher quality gives you better sound but results in larger files. Lower quality reduces file size but can add compression artifacts. If you're not sure, a higher setting is a safe choice for music and voice work. Then give your file a clear name so you'll recognize it later. When everything looks good, click Export to start the download. Keep the browser tab open while it processes. Your file will save to your default downloads location unless your browser asks you where to put it. After it finishes, it's a good idea to play the downloaded file once to confirm it exported as expected. That's all there is to it. Go to audiomass.co, upload your audio by dragging it in or selecting it from your files, then use File and Export or Download to choose the format, set the quality, name your file, and export. With these steps and a couple of smart choices on format and quality, you'll have a clean, ready-to-use file in just a few moments. Thanks for watching and enjoy working with your audio in Audiomass.